So if P inverse does not exist, that means that the determinant of P has to equal, anybody know what the determinant of P has to equal?
0.
Excellent. It's amazing.
Got it.
So positive ones will have 0, 4x, negative 2. And our negative ones, zero plus x, and then negative 16. So you would have 4x minus 2 minus x minus 16. And in the end, you'd have 3x plus 14. Depends if you're asking if you can graph a matrix. Depends what your matrix represents. Like, I mean, if you have a matrix that represents a system of 3 equations of 3 unknowns, that could be graphed. Because each equation would be a line in 3 dimensions. So our determinant is 3x plus 14. If we make that equal to 0, then you can see that if x is negative 14 over 3, then our determinant would equal 0, and then P inverse would not exist. So put A into your calculator, put B into your calculator. We're going to use our calculator to find. This means calculator. Graphic display calculator.
Is it recording? Is it recording?
Of A inverse, take 1.
Hello, my name is Stephen Powell. I'm going to be using the GDC to find the inverse of A. I'm going to draw the square bracket right here. Draw the second one. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, now I'm just going to write down the negative 1. Oh, 5. Wow. Here we have 3 over 5. Negative 3. Negative 2. Whoa! Gotta think of stuff to say. I can't just go ooh for every single one. Excellent. Terrific. Negative 1 over 15. 4 over 15. Excellent.
It's good that you say those out so that Connor doesn't mix up those 5s.
It's good. All the fractions were reduced, simplified. Everything is perfect. You are perfect, Stephen Powell. You are the face of a generation.
We can solve. So we've got our matrix A, which is the 3 by 3 matrix. There's going to be another matrix P, which will also have to be 3 by 3 to equal the matrix B that we have, which is the 3 by 3. So we've got our matrix A here. We have no idea what matrix P is, and we've got our matrix B here. So the idea is once you have your inverse, if you multiply this by its inverse, A inverse times A will be the identity matrix. But if I multiply the front of this side by A inverse, I'd have to multiply the front of this side by A inverse. This will just be identity matrix. Identity matrix times P will just be P. And so P will equal A inverse times B. And since you have that in your calculator already, you can enter that in. And who is our volunteer to write the answers out now? And our volunteer to LibDub.
I'll write them down, Kyle. Looked up.
All right.
Multiplying our previous answer by B.
Your A inverse by B, yeah.
To find the inverse, we first need to find the value of P, we need to put the inverse on both sides of the equation. So, as soon as we multiply the inverse to the first part of the equation, we need to add the same inverse to the second part. Sure, the A and the inverse of A cancel out, giving you P equals inverse of A, B.
Call Microsoft.
And then we see that the new matrix, wait, where's the matrix? It's right here. We then see that the new matrix is going to be, wait, what? I think I got a totally different answer.